Hey gang, it's Ark. Welcome back to our blind Blackrock Interloper series here in the Long Dark. We are in the... keep forgetting what this place is called. The substation, I think. And let's see. I think I already looted... Alright, let's drink some water to stop having to hear about it. Now, our schedule is way out of whack because we spawned in the middle of the night. Let's see, what condition are these rabbit carcasses in? Okay, they're fine. I'm gonna leave them inside because when I harvest them, eventually I don't want them to be frozen. My health is high enough that I think what I'm gonna do is just try to kill a little bit of time tonight, and then we'll just get a shorter period of sleep. It's actually still light out. Let's go ahead and loot the surrounding area. I can get away with not starting a fire. I might try to take advantage of that while I'm up here. I'm actually not sure if there's anything up here. There's this container. Nothing in it though. See if I can get an idea of where those wolves might be. Well, this is actually great traveling weather. Alright, let's head back behind here. There are rabbits back here, and I want to get as many rabbits going as soon as possible, so that they'll all be cured at around the same time and I can craft my clothing. Alright, this one's coming back towards me. Almost threw it over him. Let's drop that before I attract some attention. Let's go up here. Ooh, there's a deer up here. Without a hacksaw, though. I'm not gonna bother with feathers. Oh wait, there is a cave back here. I thought I came back and looked for a cave back here way back in like my first or second attempt, because I thought there was one here and then I couldn't find it for some reason. Okay, let's grab a couple more of these. See how warm it is in here, if at all. Got some coal on the ground, a couple of sticks. This person did not have a good time. Hello, I would like your boots, please. Let's see. Doesn't look like we'll get to the point where we're warming up back here. It was like -3. Alright, let's see if I can go get that other rabbit. There was one piece of coal, so it's worth double checking to make sure there's not more. Looks like it was just the one there. Should probably run as much as seems reasonable because I want to get tired and have to sleep again. We don't need feathers. Where did that rabbit run off to? Well, the wolves seem to have moved on for the time being. I've seen them down in this icy area. They don't seem to be here, so this is a good time to grab cattails, I guess.
Cold is making my head feel thick.
I'm gonna have to figure out pretty soon whether I want to bother starting a fire tonight or not. Considering that it's a pretty short time until I'm gonna sleep, I think I'm gonna opt for skipping the fire. It's just a rock fall going on over there. Alright, once I grab a couple of these, I will go get my rabbit and head back inside.
Damn, I'm freezing.
Yeah, I know it's cold, but we're gonna be sleeping again soon. I don't want the furlough, I want the cattail. Alright, let's grab a couple more stones. Never know when those will come in handy. Alright, got just about every last cattail here. I am not going to be lulled and start eating them now. We are still employing starvation because I know how quickly things can turn south. Alright, I don't remember exactly where I'm supposed to go. Up this way, I think. I think I got every cattail here. Alright, this is the low point. Oh, and I can get this other rabbit now. He finally decided to show back up. And the other one should be sitting down here in the grass somewhere. There he is. Oh, I scared him off from a long way away. Don't even want to be going this way because there could be wolves over here. Alright. Take a shot here. Oh, man. Well. Oh my goodness. How are there wolves here right now? Okay. Let's just drop down here. Wow, they weren't around at all, and then suddenly they were there. I want my rabbit. Alright, let's not be foolish. We can get the rabbit later. Let's see. I checked that. There's crates and stuff around here. Oh, there's a workbench outside here. Oh, there's a fire barrel here. Why did I start a fire over here before when I could just have one right there? 'Cause I forgot it was there. Alright, now unfortunately it is very dark. I can just barely see where I'm going, but probably isn't working that well for everyone else. Sorry about that. It's actually not late enough to completely go to bed yet. I wish there was a more reasonable way to feel around in the dark. But let's just go ahead and do this. This has to be done at some point. We'll just grab the hide and the guts off of this. Let me just make sure. I am warming up. I managed to give myself hypothermia before by doing this. Feels like 2 degrees. I'm gonna have to keep a close eye on my temperature. Let's do... just the hide to start with. I think it takes longer to cure. So we're still warming up. Just gotta keep an eye on this. I can actually see better now than I could before. It's probably a good time to get reorganized here. I already got the hide off of that. Let's harvest the hide from this one. There's an Aurora. I think that means we are staying inside. At least I have plenty of light to work by now. Okay, let's get started on... setting up my resources over here. Wonder if I can see anything useful on the screen. Doesn't look like it. Go check the Nothing appears to be interactable. Got 3 switches there. Don't seem to be able to do anything with those. Alright, looks like there's nothing here that actually interacts with the aurora. Oh, here we go. And possibly get a view of this. Nope. Maybe it'll happen later. Alright, let's go ahead and harvest the guts. And let's see. It's close to midnight now. I need to sleep at least until morning. So yeah, we still got a ways to go. I can only sleep about 3 hours right now. That'll leave me well in the middle of the night. Might end up just killing some time. Let's go ahead and get the gut off of this. And I'm curious, let's see how much my temperature has changed. Oh, still feels like 2. Maybe I didn't have as much clothing on me last time I ran into trouble. Alright, so there's everything from those 2 rabbits. I really wish I had that 3rd rabbit on me now. I could risk stepping outside briefly and just see if I get lucky. Let me see. Might as well harvest the meat off of this first. Okay, so that's gone. Need to at least drop this outside anyway. Okay. It's really beautiful out here, but also really dangerous. First sign that a predator knows I'm here, I have to run straight back here. I'll try to save a lot of my stamina for that purpose. I imagine that the Timberwolves are going to be terrifying in the Aurora. Okay, so this tree here in front of this little lake is where I want to go. I think I don't want to risk this any more than I already have. Let's just grab this and go back. Unfortunately, it got pretty frozen. So give me a good amount of tiredness, though, doing this run. Need to remember to go around the other way. I keep going all the way around the building. At least we can see. Alright, now unfortunately, it's got to be only 50% frozen. Don't really have anything I can craft right now.
That guy who drank his own pee doesn't seem so crazy right now.
Speaking of, got just enough water to sleep for... I got plenty, yeah. I'll need to start a fire in the morning to get more water. Okay, I want to make best use of this time that I can. Is there any place I can go close by? Maybe just gathering some sticks outside. Did I search this? Yeah. The problem is I'm going to get cold so quickly out here, and I really don't want to start a fire right now. Let's see, I already went up top. The cave is back here. I already explored that. Already cold.
I've never felt so cold in my life.
Alright, let's head down this road. I already checked this truck. I hear footsteps. We're going back. There's something moving around. We're staying inside for the night. I'm not going to tangle with those guys during the Aurora. Harvest that. Just double check to make sure I didn't miss anything obvious here. Yeah, I think we're going to have to call it. Unfortunately, I will be waking up way too early in the morning if I sleep right now, so I'll probably pass an hour or two. And harvest a few of these less good torches. Anything that's under around 25 or 30% is not terribly useful. Alright. I have one piece of cloth. I guess I could repair a piece of clothing. I'm not in a position where I desperately need to... Wow, my clothing is actually all in pretty good condition. I don't even need to repair anything right now. Crazy. Still not something I can look at. I mean, the best way to tire yourself out quickly is running. So this is kind of cheesy. I mean, I guess I could go back outside and run around there. Yeah, as long as I stay close to the door, it's not too dangerous. Although out here, I'm going to get cold.
It's so cold. Think.
Yeah, it's just too dangerous to go far. And the only place I can go from here is, I can look over this way, but I don't think I can get... Maybe I can get back up through here. Alright, I'll take the risk. Let me just double check to make sure I can just run right up here. Okay, so that's the way in. Okay, I hear a wolf. I hear multiple wolves howling. Oh, they are after me. Let's get inside. A little indicator that helpfully lets me know that I'm in trouble. Now, unfortunately, they're probably going to be sitting outside for a long time trying to get to me now. Well, I can now get almost 7 hours of sleep, and it's still about 6 hours before dawn. Let's see. Anything else I can do? Oh, I can harvest this now. Perfect. Alright, this will get me plenty tired enough. Let's get a little bit of water. I want to make sure I have enough for sleeping. Maybe I shouldn't have had that. Might end up just going ahead and breaking open that can of pineapple. Or tomato soup, actually, just to get a little bit of extra water. Alright, let's start with the hide. I'm still warming up. And I'll go and do the gut next. And might as well go ahead and finish it off. Take a little bit of damage from thirst here. Okay, the Aurora's over. Just go and drop everything on the ground. I'll deal with the rest of this in the morning. Go ahead and do the hide as well.
I need something to drink, and soon.
Okay, let me take a look at my food first, just in case I have something that... No, both of these will restore thirst. I think I am going to at least have the tomato soup, since it's in pretty bad condition anyway. I think this will restore a little bit of thirst. Very little. I should be okay here, though. Alright, let's drink the water. Looks like I have enough for, yeah, like 8 hours of sleep, 9 hours of sleep, potentially. And I don't need that much. So let's see. I need, say, 8 hours of sleep. 75 calories a piece, so that's 600 calories that I need to eat. We have 352. So a couple of these will put me at 650, and then we'll be good. Need to make this tea before it goes bad. Alright, there's the bed. I just had it. Come on. You know you want to let me sleep. Hello? Oh, it just shows up for a second. Come on, don't do this to me. Man, I'm not in any danger, it's just frustrating. I am not lighting a match just to find the bed. I refuse. Okay, let's look straight down. See if we can find the... Okay, there's a pelt. There's a file cabinet. Okay, so I probably want to go back this way. And the bed should be behind me here. Maybe. Oh, come on. Shelf. Back away from the shelf. Fresh rabbit raw. So that's the stuff I just harvested. I don't understand where I am in the room. It's a pretty small room, and I seem to still be inside it. Oh, this actually is a big deal because I'm losing calories and thirst this whole time. I got ready for sleep, and now I'm just draining my thirst and my calories that I need for sleeping on stumbling around this room in the dark. This is so dumb. I'm actually just gonna light a match, I think. Where am I? And why am I not seeing anything anymore on the ground? I'm being very stubborn right now. I refuse to waste a match until I actually do. Alright, I don't see anything anymore. I think I somehow got myself into the outer area. This is so dumb. One match gone. Where even am I? I'm stuck in this little corner way over here. Okay, well I definitely got way far away from where I was supposed to be. Alright, this is where we want to be. Let me double check my calories. Probably actually need to eat a little bit more now. We have 552 calories. Oh yeah, I wasted so many calories wandering around. Alright, let's just eat one more set of calories. One more cattail. I have enough water for probably 8 hours of sleep. I think I'll just sleep for 8 hours. Well, that was really silly. Okay, I have to make sure that I can find this bed. Do not move. Gotta be right below me. Okay. I wish I had a lantern. 8 hours. And sleep for... Yeah, let's just sleep until I'm fully rested. Well, that was really ridiculous. But at least we... Let's take that outside with us.
I could eat anything.
I'm actually going to need to start a fire right away so that I can get water. Okay, so I've got 3 and 3. Need to go get more rabbits. Let's leave these just outside.
Need water.
Yeah, I'm working on it. I left a piece of meat over there. I'll have to go grab that. Let's light a torch first. Once I get up into the other regions of this map and get some more matches, I should be fine. Just annoying to waste waste a match on that. Now, I'm actually probably pretty light on fuel. Use sticks first. I'm gonna go ahead and extinguish this. Let's put one piece of meat on here. Okay, I'm gonna let that run for just a couple minutes, and then we'll go ahead and get some water out of it. I think there is a relatively nearby... Okay, wolves are down that way. Wonder if they'll be scared by this fire. They certainly seem to be scared by the torch earlier. Right, that'll be done in 31 minutes. Let's go ahead and take this water and then boil all of it. Okay, 7 minutes. I can deal with my thirst issues. Let me just run up this way real quick. See if we can't grab a couple more sticks up here. Okay, and since I know where the wolves are, I'll probably explore in the other direction.
Damn it. So hungry.
Yeah, I know. We're gonna be starving. Alright, let's grab this. Just drink all of it. Okay, that'll be done in 21 minutes. Throw these extra sticks on. Oh, there's a wolf right there. Wow, they really came over this way. Now, it says that they're attacking me. But is he actually coming in here? It's not clear if they're going to be afraid of this fire or not. Okay, they seem to be scared, but they're not actually leaving. They're individually scared, but this meter down at the bottom hasn't gone down at all. Alright, got 7 minutes until that meat is done. Well, this is nerve-wracking. They don't seem to be interested in actually attacking me. I think I want to save all this fuel for right now. This feels wrong to me. Like, it feels like they should either attack me or they should be scared. But the fact that they're just milling around doing nothing for this long feels imbalanced. That didn't do anything as far as trying to scare them. Certainly, destroying the duration on my fire, though. What happens if I try to leave? I might try that when this next batch of water is done. Okay, I got a nice fresh torch here. Okay, is he gonna attack me or is he just running around? Looks like he's just running. My torch goes out in this wind though, I'm gonna be messed up.
Right now.
Alright, let's get her to stop complaining about the water. Okay, their morale has gone down some. I don't know why, but it's... The bar has a little piece off the top of it. That doesn't seem to have done anything though. I don't know, I'm honestly so confused right now. Alright, that's a nice fresh torch. Let's go ahead and pick up some of these. Oh, let's leave it, because that's still burning apparently. Okay, so it did get windy enough to burn my torch out, so I can't rely on carrying a torch with me to stay safe. What happens if I just go inside? Then they're probably gonna mill around the outside like they did before. What in the world? Alright, 10 minutes until that's ready, 12 minutes until that's ready. I think I am gonna risk leaving. Alright, I don't believe I have any tea ingredients, which is a pain. Alright, let's grab this. Try to grab a nice fresh torch. That one's not good. Alright, that's good. Let's add some fuel to this so it doesn't go out. Sure, I'll just add a piece of cedar on there. 2 hours is more than enough. Grab this and start more water. Alright, I'm gonna go this way. And let me just get out of this area. Oh, they're coming after me. Is this the bridge? Okay, this is the bridge. If I go across here, maybe they won't be able to follow me. Can they come onto the bridge? Yes, they can. Can they come across there then? Doesn't look like it. Okay, so they'll probably just lose interest in me once they realize they can't get over here. That is awkwardly programmed, to say the least. What I can do is start another fire over here and get some tea ingredients. Probably end up letting that water boil off. I didn't have a lot of time on that fire.
Thank you.
Thought I saw something on the floor there. Alright, let's head up this way. It is currently just after noon. Alright, we got a deer here. Got a dead deer. I could actually harvest this by hand if I start a fire here. Let's do that. I'm gonna need a fire anyway. Oh, I don't have my can
Come
with
on,
me,
little fire.
so I can't make teas. Oh, unless there's a can in this cave up here, like there has been the last couple times.
Perfect.
Let me actually just double check. What is my current temperature? Okay, I can do this with just sticks. I don't need coal on this fire. Add a piece of reclaimed wood as well, just to get some duration. Alright. That's going to take a while. Let me just go ahead and put this out. Let's go see about this cave first. If I can get some water cooking on there, that'll
I
be
can't feel my hands.
pretty productive. I have a few more stones. I am going to try to grab those rabbits. Looks like the can is here. Okay, any other resources back in here? Doesn't look like it. It's an odd formation there. Let me get this water started and then I'll come back and grab the rose hips. Okay, 82% frozen. I think it needs to be 50%, or I can harvest it. Actually, this is more important than the rose hips. Also going to drop these by the fire to keep them... Ooh, actually. Oh, wow. I wonder if I stood up before I finished the throw, and that's why I went so far over. Okay, let's drop that rabbit there. I'm actually really cold. This fire is not very warm.
Wait. I'm so cold. I'm warming up a bit.
Let's add one more piece of reclaimed wood onto this. I'm gonna need quite the duration on this anyway. Once this gets down to 50%, I can just stand here to... Oh, I can harvest this. Alright, let's just do that to get warmed up a bit. We have plenty of time. 20 minutes on that. 30 minutes? No, let's only do 15. Okay, 6 minutes until that's boiled. I'm a little warmer now. Let me just grab this rabbit if I can get in range without spooking him. Okay, so I can just about harvest that. I'm not going to harvest any more off the rabbits because I can do that inside. Take this, start some more water. I want all these cattails too. Go ahead and grab enough of these to make 1 tea, and then we'll head back to the fire. Maybe I should just throw some coal on there. I only have 1 though, it's for emergencies. Alright, that'll start warming me up quite a bit more. I've got about 25 minutes left on that. Not carrying anything that's dangerous. Alright, this is fine. I don't have any use for the deer hide, but I might grab the guts. Let's go ahead and just cook that. Let's see. I'm gonna head up here and see if I can get some more sticks to get this fire even warmer. I'm not actually sure what the optimal way is to do this. I'm trying to get as much done as I can and spend as little time by the fire, except for what's necessary to stay warm. And I think what I need to be doing is making a tea.
My fingers feel numb.
Yeah, I'm actually lasting a long time out here, just normally. Let's see where this goes. Don't actually remember what the deal is here. Okay. I don't want to do that right now. Yeah, if I had a tea, I could spend a lot of time. So let's see how much time is left on this. We got 21 minutes on that, 19 on that. So 20 minutes I should be able to craft 1 tea. I have the ingredients for it, which I do now. Need to check my fire duration, but I just added some sticks to it. Okay, so we'll grab this and cook up a tea. And then I'll take this off the fire and put this on. Let's go ahead and grab these rose hips. That doesn't require traveling very far.
I need to find some place to escape this cold.
I think there was one up here. Okay, I'm quite low on fuel now. Well, this is interesting. You can be on this little ridge up here. Does this go anywhere? Doesn't look like it. Looks like it's a dead end. Oh well. Let's sneak down here. Yeah, I'm kind of out of fuel in this area too, which is a little bit of a shame.
It's so cold. I just want to lay down for a bit.
Alright, I'm gonna pick that up, not drink it yet. Once that's done, we'll be done cooking things here. Can get up to 2 guts off of this thing, but I just don't think it's worth spending the time by the fire here. Well, it would warm me up. Alright, so I think the order of operations here is we're going to cook one more thing of water. I'm going to get warmed up. This should now last long enough for me to harvest one gut, which I think is all I'm going to take. Okay, let's drop that over here. I've got all those resources to take back with me eventually. Got that water. I'm going to pick this up. Let's double check that my drink is still... Oh, my drink isn't warm anymore. Let's place that there. 8 minutes until it's ready. How long on the fire? 4 minutes. To be ready in 5. Do I have one more stick? Yes. Okay, we'll just throw that on there just to make sure it lasts long enough. Okay, so I come back and grab all of this when I'm ready to head back. Go ahead and drink this to warm up. Okay. Let's go. Actually, I don't need to come back to the fire, do I? Let's grab all of this and take it down to the car. Let's see. I'm going to say I got everything I wanted from this area. There might be a few mushrooms or sticks left, but gotta remember to drop all this meat when I get down here. I hear footsteps, but I think it's the deer. Okay, right next to the trunk of the car. All of that stuff. Let's go back this way now. Probably get some sticks back in this little area, maybe. Oh, it's late. This is really steep. I should not have come this way. Okay, I'll take the road back. How did I get all the way up here? I did not mean to be way up here. Where in the world am I?
Okay, weak.
How do I get down? Oh, I see. I came up too soon. I want to go down here and then up this way. Okay. I can't decide whether I need a fire later, so I'm gonna keep my torch lit. At the very least, I want to be able to see when I get back into the base. Oh, I just realized this episode is going really long. I probably should have cut it somewhere in here, but instead we're just going to have a long episode until I get back. And so we're pretty close to a stopping point. Alright, disappointing on the loot here, but overall things went really well. I believe this is just a dead end. This is like the spawn point up here. I don't think anything spawns there. So we can check up in here now. Okay, I'm traveling completely the wrong direction, but I do have some time to kill, and I'm probably never coming back here, so we're going to gather what we can. That's actually the other area, so I can go back that way and go back to the car. Get some more fuel. Have to be really careful not to get lost here. Hear footsteps of something. I think it's a bear. Yep, there's a bear down there. It's getting a lot colder. Checking to see what I'm walking over here. Okay, I know because I've done it that you can walk up here and then inch your way up onto this and then come down here. Ooh, this looks dangerous. I think this is where I turned around last time too. Yeah, my warming up buff is gone. Getting tired and cold. We need to head back. Alright, let's just crouch down here. Inch our way back down. Okay, we gotta get back. I actually should have gone back earlier. I forgot I have to skin all those rabbits. And I could
feel numb.
easily do that work tonight. Alright, let's head this way. I think it's going to be shorter. And pass through here again and make sure I didn't miss any cattails. Or leave anything by the fire. Just now starting to freeze. Not a big deal. Doesn't look like I left anything of importance there. Double check the can I have with me.
Cold.
No more cattails. Alright, I do have a torch on me, so Timberwolves shouldn't be a huge threat. Now, regular wolves, if they catch my scent with all this meat, that'd be pretty unfortunate. I would have been pretty annoyed if all the wolves had still been right here at the edge of the bridge. Alright. Inch our way across here. Now, I really need to come up with a better way to approach. Yeah, there are wolves. I'm going to save my energy for now. Okay, so it's right up there, and I believe what I want to do is just go straight up to it, right? I believe that's right, and then I can just inch around the right-hand side. Let's grab the stick. Okay, that wolf was scared. Ah, no, it's here that I want to go, but what I did worked.
Oh, rest suit. I'm gonna faint.
Alright, let's get inside before they realize I'm here. Alright, that was a really long episode. I'm actually going to leave it here, and in the next one, we'll deal with all this loot that we have, harvest the rest of the rabbits. I think we have, what, 5 total now? There should be another one back behind here. That should be enough to craft at least one piece of clothing and put us well on our way to getting the next one. I'll still have my torch when we start the next episode, so it's okay if it goes out here. I hope you enjoyed this one, and thanks for watching.